Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle English, where I teach you how to improve your level of English. In today's lesson, we have a beginner level grammar test. You have to fill in the blanks with the correct word. For example, do you live? The answer, where do you live? There are 25 questions in total. Get a piece of paper and write down your answers, or you can answer in your head. Let's begin. Is your favorite food? The correct answer is what? What is your favorite food? Number 2. My favorite food, pizza. The correct answer is. My favorite food is pizza. Number 3. Where you from? The correct answer is are. Where are you from? Number 4. I from Canada. The correct answer is I'm from Canada or I am from Canada. You can also say I come from Canada. Number 5. Old are you? The correct answer is how. How old are you? Number 6. You speak Japanese? The correct answer is do. Do you speak Japanese? Number 7. She like fish. The correct answer is doesn't. She doesn't like fish. Number 8. She black hair. The correct answer is has. She has black hair. Or she has got black hair. Number 9. I to read books and watch movies. The correct answer is like. I like to read books and watch movies. Number 10. Jack have any brothers or sisters? The correct answer is does. Does Jack have any brothers or sisters? Number 11. Does your family live? The correct answer is where. Where does your family live? Number 12. They live New York. The correct answer is in. They live in New York. Number 13. My sister very good at playing the guitar. The correct answer is. My sister is very good at playing the guitar. Number 14. Christmas is December. The correct answer is in. Christmas is in December. Number 15. The cat is sitting the chair. The correct answer is on. The cat is sitting on the chair. Number 16. What is it? The correct answer is time. What time is it? Number 17. I am meeting John 5 o'clock. The correct answer is at. I am meeting John at 5 o'clock. Number 18. She, a very beautiful woman. The correct answer is she's a very beautiful woman, or she is a very beautiful woman. Number 19. He, 3 dogs. The correct answer is has. He has 3 dogs, or he has got 3 dogs. Number 20. It, sunny today. The correct answer is isn't. It isn't sunny today. Number 21. There, 2 schools in my town. The correct answer is are. There are 2 schools in my town. Number 22. My favorite hobby, playing video games. The correct answer is. My favorite hobby is playing video games. Number 23. I need umbrella because it is raining. The correct answer is an. I need an umbrella because it is raining. Number 24. He have brown eyes. The correct answer is doesn't. He doesn't have brown eyes. Or you can say he hasn't got brown eyes. Number 25. It's nice meet you. The correct answer is to. It's nice to meet you. And now a bonus question. She, a book right now. The answer is she is reading a book right now, or she's reading a book right now. Congratulations on finishing the test. How many did you get correct out of 25, plus the bonus question? If this test was difficult for you, make sure to check my playlist on different grammar lessons and try the test again. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos like this one.